Hello ladies and germs, does anyone still make that joke anyways? I don't think so. It's your favorite generic white man here. So today we're going to be working on the Ducati Scrambler Desert Sled. It's been a little while since I've made a video on this thing. I'm loving this bike and it's been really awesome. But I did pick up a small little quality of life mod that I thought was really cool. And it's super simple and really easy to install. So let me show you how it's done. So this is the piece here. It is a stainless bracket made by Brogue Motorcycles. And what it is it's a helmet bracket and a security item all in one. So you can hang your helmet from it and secure it. So let's show you how that's done. So first of all, we're going to go ahead and pop off the seat here. Alright, now that the seat is off, you'll see this little bracket holding the tail light here. You're going to take a 3mm Allen key and go ahead and undo both of these bolts here. 1 and 2. Alright, so now that those two bolts are out, what we're going to do is we're going to kind of pull the assembly back here just a little bit. And then you take your bracket and you just line up those two bolt holes. And there's a cutout for this little rubber stopper here on the back of the tail light. And then these have two little rubber mounting plugs. And you just put it back in place there. Line those bolt holes back up. Once those bolt holes are lined back up, go ahead and put your bolts back in. And thread them in place, and it's as simple as that. So the way that this works is you take your helmet D-rings like this, and then you just place them right over that tab, and it'll hang for you. And then you just take your seat and put it back in place. And there you go. Now you'll see the helmet is secured via the tab under there. And you can't even actually access the tab there, so it'd make it really difficult for thieves. So there we go, guys. It's as simple as that. I think that's a really cool little mod. Very simple, very affordable, and you know, it's maybe not the craziest technology in the world, but any kind of small deterrent like that is really going to deter most thieves. And you can't even access the bracket from the side. And yeah, I think it's just it's a pretty secure little piece and a great value for the money. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more desert sled content because it is coming. All right, thanks guys.